Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm Lisa, and if you like handbags and accessories, then hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button, and you can get notifications when I do new videos. So today is a bag reveal on two bags that I just purchased from Dooney and Bourke on sale, and they got here pretty quickly, and it was a big box, so I didn't want to have the box laying around. So and I was excited to see the bags that I got, because I got them on sale. All right, so the first bag is the Dooney and Bourke Pebble Grain Large Tote in the color red. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's not as bright as I thought it was going to be when it came. It has some nice texture though. It's a beautiful red color. I love the brown against this red. It's just so spring and summer. And then the leather on the sides. And what I'm learning is that I like totes, and I like structure. But I like mine with a little squishiness to it. And I do have a structure bag, but I noticed that I like mine north and south. All right, so this has the rolled handles, and it looks like it's going to be comfortable. And it's not heavy. It's a nice lightweight tote. Let me open it up. It has a nice little zipper, the extra where can widen out, throw some, stuff in there. Couple of pieces of clothes or something, along with your wallet and everything. It's like it's an everything bag. And you got this nice pocket right here, this like sunglass pocket. That's nice. I really like when totes have that. And the linen inside is so summery. I'm gonna take this to the beach. So you got and traveling, you got here a nice wide slip pocket. The strap is in the way, with the zipper pocket, which is nice and deep. Inside as well, almost like the size of a cosmetic carry-on, little cosmetic carry-on. It has feet at the bottom. Now let me see. I pulled it up on the website so I could look at the measurements and compare to what I'm seeing in my site here. Not letting me go to it. Is it gone? Sorry guys, I thought I had it in the bag. Pebble tote, Pebble grain tote. Here it is. It's on sale for $189 now. Okay, 11.25 inches high and 6 3/4 deep, wide, and then it's supposed to be 14 inches long. 14 inches. Let's see. It looks like a little, might not be 14 on. See, on top is 18. So they probably measured back down here. 14, yes. Correct. Let's see what the strap drop is. 10 and a half. Well, 10 3/4 almost. Okay, let's see how long. How many high? It says 12 here. Online it says 11.25. But I love the squishiness of this bag, and I love that it's a light tote, and it's so versatile. I love it. Okay, so the next item we have here is, let me pull it up because I'm not going to try to pull it up from the order. They got this bag. I don't know if they still have it on I Love Dooney. This is the Messenger 28. They still have this bag on I Love Dooney. Let me see. For $99. It took all of me. You know, I just, you know, I love this bag. Okay, let's see if it's still on sale. Messenger. I didn't want to make this video long. They have caramel is on sale for $99.99, and the bone is $175. Now caramel, yeah, caramel is caramel. Looks like the strap is a little lighter, but I bought this bag for the look, because I love this. The Turnlock, it just looked like a nice little travel crossbody bag, and then it came with a detachable canvas strap, which I'm pretty sure I have some bags that I can use this strap with. Might be a video I'm gonna do. It has a nice ooh, this is nice and roomy in the back. It also has the linen. That was easy. The linen lined. It has a nice long slip pocket with the zipper pocket. Let me see how deep this zipper pocket is. It's decent. And then you have a smaller slip pocket on the other side. And this is suede. It feels like microfiber suede. Really nice. And I think I have a couple of Coach bags, crossbodies, that I can pair this canvas strap with as well. It's kind of floppy a little bit. Okay. All right. So the measurements online says 9.25 high, 3.5 inches wide, and 11 inches long. Let's see. Let's go down here. I'm not sure. Okay, the 9.25 is right. 3.5. So maybe they're going from this as 11 inches long. No, I'm not getting 11 inches anywhere. It's like almost like 10. So it's a little off. It's like 10 inches high. Not even on the sides is it 11 inches. But it is 3.5 inches wide and 9.25 inches in, I'm sorry, this is the height. This is not the length. 11 is not the length. It's about 10. Okay, guys, so I hope I covered everything. So on I Love Dooney, they have it for the $99 in the caramel color. That's the, ooh, it's bright. Caramel. And then they have the bone for $175. At one time they had it, ooh, that's bright. That's not working. At one point they had all the colors for $99 after I purchased this one. It was still on sale, but I got my, I was able to use my coupon. And it has nice reinforcements here on the sides. And so this wouldn't be a bag, crossbody bag to wear, because even though you have these openings, I wouldn't put loose items in there knowing that. I would use catch-alls and something that was too big to even come through the hole. And so somebody would have to turn the lock in order to get in. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like handbag, mostly Dooney, but I do Coach and other bags. So All right, guys. So you guys have a great weekend, and till next time, bye.